In this video, I am going to show you the t-shirt that made more than $97,500 in revenue in just 10 days by doing print on demand on own store. I will also be showing you his e-commerce store on which this guy is selling this t-shirt, and I will also take you into his Facebook ad targeting. So here we are on his website, and you can take a look at t-shirt designs and everything. Just think what makes this t-shirt special, and why this t-shirt is getting such a huge response. I will leave this analysis on you. Now, you might be wondering that how it proves that this t-shirt sold more than $95,700. Well, I bet this t-shirt has been sold way more than that, but let me show you how. This is the ad campaign set up by the advertiser. You can see that this post has got 65,000 reactions on this post, and you can see that this post has been made on the 27th of August 2021, which means it has been almost 10 days now, and within 10 days it has reached milestone of 65,000 reactions on his post. You can see that he has targeted male and female from 20 to 80 age group in United States. Now, if we take a conservative estimate that only 5% of the audience who reacted on posts actually purchased the product, then multiplying the average selling price with 5% of all reactions on post will bring out the actual amount of sale. 5% of all reactions is 3,250 products sold, and let's again assume a conservative average of both t-shirt and hoodie sold, which comes out $30 per product, which means 3,250 multiplied by 30 comes out to be $97,500 in sales in just 10 days, and remember, this all is when we took very conservative estimate. If you also want to spy on Facebook and Instagram ads like me, then you can check out this software I am using. The link has been given in description. Subscribe the channel if you want to see more print on demand related videos.